Hello everyone, welcome to the Fairfield Public Library. Today in our Take and Make kit, we are making a gingerbread hanging popsicle stick craft. Continue to watch this video so that we can make this cool craft together. So in your Take and Make kit, you should have a shape cutout, candy, 3 pieces of construction paper, 2 pieces of twine, popsicle sticks, and a handful of colorful pom-poms. From home, you'll need glue, scissors, brown marker, and a pencil. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is take 1 piece of our construction paper and we're going to lay that down. We're going to take 11 popsicle sticks, so count out 11, 11. And you're going to put your other 2 over there, popsicle sticks down on the construction paper. So I like to glue on the construction paper, put some glue on there. And then start to lay down our popsicle sticks. What to do. So we'll take that and put that to the side and let that dry. Our next thing is we're going to cut out our shape template. Here we have a triangle. And we have our other piece. This is going to be our door here. So we're just gonna cut around. We're gonna get our blue construction paper. Maybe you have a different color. Maybe you have yellow, pink, green, red, whichever color you have. You're gonna make your door. So we'll trace around the shape here to make our door, and then we will cut that out. Okay, let's cut around. Perfect. Here we will take our triangle and we are going to cut out our triangle. Or trace out our triangle first, and then we're going to cut it out. Perfect, and we'll put that over to the side. My next thing is to cut out our candy paint. Cut those out. shapes cut out. We're gonna put that to the side. And we'll bring back our popsicle sticks because they had a little bit of time to dry. We're gonna cut off all of the excess brown paper. Now we are going to take our brown and we're going to color the popsicle sticks. Okay, so once you have that done, you're going to take your other two popsicle sticks. You're going to color those brown as well. Place those off to the side. Now our next step is to take our brown triangle and we're going to glue that right on top. So let's put some glue on the bottom of our triangle and let's glue that on top. Perfect. Then we are going to take our other two brown popsicle sticks and cover one side. And the other side. Take our door and we'll put our door right in the middle. We're going to take one of our strings and we're going to put the glue around the door and we'll take, it's going to just go around onto the glue. Then we'll cut off any excess string. We'll take our candy, whichever one. You could choose to put one or maybe you want two. However you want these to go, and we're just going to place them. So I'm thinking maybe I'll do two here and these two here. Or I can put one and then these two here. Let's see, or maybe this one. Oh, I like that one a lot. So I'm gonna do that decoration. And that's gonna go in the middle. And then my other candy are gonna go down on the sides. press those down. Flip over my popsicle stick, very carefully flipping over my popsicle stick gingerbread house. And you might need some help. We're gonna take our string, we're gonna fold it into half until we have the two ends on the bottom and a loop on the top. We're gonna put the glue here. You're gonna need enough glue, so make sure you're putting enough glue. And we're gonna glue this here so that it's a loop. And we're gonna give it a few seconds and maybe try to blow some air on it so it could dry. And put a little bit of glue on top to make sure that it's nicely flat. Okay, we're gonna flip that over and we get to glue our pom-pom. And then the rest are gonna go around our candy cane house. And you could do a pattern if you like, or you could just do whichever colors you want. And we're just gonna put the glue. Gingerbread. Thank you everyone for continuing to watch this video with me and make this cool popsicle stick gingerbread house. I hope you had so much fun. As always, continue to check out our calendar so that you're up to date with all things that are happening here at the Fairfield Public Library. Until next time.